First batch, advanced group members from high school to college time, and also a choir member, presently working as a tuition staff at the Mandaue City. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand please our first judge, Ms. Esperanza S. Aliguan. And our second judge, a graduate of Bachelor of Science with majors in Biology and Physics at the University of San Carlos. Presently connected at the Department of Education as a principal of the Mandaue City Science High School. A big hand please our second judge, Ma'am Rosario F. Casilagan. And our third judge, a nursing aide graduate at the University of the Visayas College of Nursing. Hotel and restaurant management graduate of Cebu Central Colleges and now University of Cebu. Presently connected at the Philippine Counselors League at the Cebu Provincial Capital. And also a performer and a dancer. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our third judge, Mrs. Bona Marie Siroy Pata. And our next judge, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Banking and Finance at the University of Cebu. An international diploma in Computer Studies at Genetic Computer Institute. A dance instructor, a businessman, and presently one of the barangay councilor of Pakan, Mandaue City. A big hand please our next judge, Honorable Jonathan Pinchos. And our next judge, a PS MedTech at the University of Southwestern University. One of the Miss Southwestern staff, College of Medical Technology official newsletter photojournalist. Sinulog Photo Contest contributor. Please help me welcome our next judge, Mr. Prince Lee Balapa. And our next judge, graduated Bachelor in Science and Commerce, and presently one of the barangay councilor of Pakan, Mandaue City, the brother of Beethoven, Councilor Beethoven and Daya. We have Honorable Adaisa Danilo Sinisa. Our active committees. Our committees, no? Secretary Rosales. Co-chairman, we have Mr. Raul Cortez, Mr. Nelson Bongo, Mr. Omel Roble, Mr. Giovanni Flores, and we have Mr. Arnel Cortez. And also we have Mr. Nordin Frias. For all our committees, keep up the good work. Okay? Okay, I think our candidates are now ready. Candidate number 1, Miss Cherry Melcadet.
Ako yung panuhaan para limutan na para sa isa sa pagdaan. Guys, pasensya lang sa kayo ha. Kupanito ka.
If I wear a mask, I can't move.